What's up everyone, this is your Russian sidekick on kitchen again, and in this video I'm gonna show you one recipe that you will never forget, and it's called eclair. It's super simple, it's not time consuming, I promise you. It's just like 15 minutes preparation and then 40 minutes in the oven. And let's jump into it. I will show you the ingredients. So for this bad guy we just need half of a cup of water and half of a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we need 1 stick, aka 8 tablespoons of butter. I'm using margarine, it's cheaper and it just turns out as well as with butter. So now we just have to boil it, and after we boil it we will use this 1 cup of flour and we'll bake the dough. Let's go to the stove and I'll show you what to do. So I'll just turn on a little bit between high and medium and wait until the margarine will melt. So as you can see, it's starting boiling, and you know there's milk in there, so we have to do it fast now because it's gonna run away. So we're gonna just throw our flour in there, just all of it. Just throw all of it, don't do portions. I'm gonna reduce a little bit the heat, and then I'm just gonna mix it just like that. You just and then you want to mix it that it won't have any of flour balls here. And when you see that it's like really nice and smooth, then it means it's ready, and we would have to mix it with eggs. That's the one ingredient I forgot to tell you about. That looks really nice. Let's go back to our mixer. We're gonna drop our dough here. We're gonna use our flat beater here, and you can use even a spoon or a fork or a hand mixer, wherever you have. It's not a big deal. It's just more convenient for me to use this one, so I'm gonna use this one. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna just beat it a little bit by itself to cool it, because we don't want the eggs to boil to fry on the dough right after we just cooked it. So let's just wait a moment here. And then I'm just gonna throw 1 egg at a time, just like that, and wait when it's gonna mix all together and nice. And before I throw the last egg, I just gonna make sure that there's nothing on the walls that doesn't have eggs. So I am going to throw the last egg. And go. And I think we're done. So guys, I have my tray here with baking sheets, and I have my decorating bag with this open start tip, and I'm just gonna throw the dough inside and gonna land it on a tray here. I usually do 2 ways. You can do the sticks or you can do the rounds. I'm just gonna do the rounds here. So guys, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna put it with this temperature only for 10 minutes. It will make them grow and a little bit stick to the form. After 10 minutes, we're gonna reduce the temperature to 325 Fahrenheit. Gonna leave it there for 30 minutes, approximately for 30 minutes. In 20-25 minutes, probably try in 20. just take a look at it, and if it's golden on the top, if it's like nice and like brown gold, then you have to take it off. Don't open the oven in a temperature transition or during other time, because that might ruin your pastries. So let's get them into the oven. Okay guys, this is the exact result that we wanted. Look at these guys. They're really nice and beautiful, and they are empty inside. That's what we want. So before I will fill it with the cream, I will use this round tip that I will use to fill the cream inside. I will use it to make holes, just so it would be a little bit easier for me when I will have it with my decorating bag. I don't want to do it with decorating bag in it because it's not really fun to do. And if you have a smaller tip, you can use smaller. That would actually be nicer, but I'm just gonna use this one. I'm gonna take my decorating bag here with a round tip that I used to make holes here, and I'm just gonna fill it with this cream I made out of heavy cream and powdered sugar. You can, if you want to know how to make this cream, I have a video on my channel. Just follow this link in the top corner here, and you can learn it. It's really fast and really not hard to do. So I'm gonna put it here and take it one by one and just fill it like that. So, and this is how you make them. Really simple, really easy, doesn't take a lot of time. Don't think that I spent like 5 hours on it. It was really fast. The longest part is just like you waiting for it to bake. So it's really nice. Leave what you think about it in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel. Good luck with these eclairs. I hope you will enjoy it. Actually, one more thing. You can use any cream of your choice, any filling of your choice. If you want to use cream that I use in Napoleon cake, you can use it. If you don't know how to make it, there's a link here. You can follow it and you can watch how to make that cream. If you want to fill it with meat, you're welcome. You can do whatever you want. It's your choice. So good luck with this recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Give me all the comments below if you have anything to say or any questions, and I'll see you.